was wonderful as always. And I have the highest regards for the whole Zista team because they capture the right audience and the right people for design and technology fields. And I think every conversation I have with each student is so valuable. So I do appreciate everybody's time and effort here to make this event be successful. Thank you so much.
And I really liked the universities, how they are interacting with us. And the session was really helpful because they gave a lot of insights and information. The questions that were asked, they were answered really very nicely.
I think it was a great experience, getting to meet all these institutes, and honestly, applying online is something, and getting to talk to them and actually getting a more detailed versions of what we look at on their websites is much better. And since it's a great initiative, it was a great experience, and it's really worth coming here all the way. Great experience. Thank you so much.
I'm going to say I'm absolutely exhausted, but it's in a really good way. The last couple of events have been super busy. This is my first time attending the Zista fairs. My colleagues have attended many times and they've always told me how very busy and exhausted they were, and I didn't actually believe them. But now I've actually had that experience. But the best thing for me is just being able to meet all these really interesting individuals, and I just feel honoured to be part of that process for them.
I find that the students that come to our table here are all knowledgeable of not only the school, but they know what they're looking for in their programs. They ask very good questions about about our programs, about what they're looking for, placement rates. But I think that the Zista group does a great job of identifying schools that would be a match for our school. So it helps me when I'm trying to recruit students that I know they'll be viable candidates.
I'm very much grateful to the Zista event for organizing such a great event, which I appreciate a lot, and I've learned a lot about the universities, and I got to know about my dream university, that where I have to land in. Thank you for organizing this event, and thank you for inviting me.
Firstly, I would like to thank the entire team from Zista for the kind of effort that they put in into their events. I've attended the events starting from Pune and ending with Ahmedabad, and I think it was great in terms of the outreach, in terms of the quality of students. The events were great. Okay, the help from as in her team members also has been wonderful, and I would like to thank all of them for that. So thank you so much.